Hello students. In previous topics we discussed about the type of cubic unit cell that were SCC, BCC, FCC. One more type, that is fourth number, that is ECC. ECC means edge center cubic. What is this edge center cubic? In this diagram we can see that a constituent particle is on the edge. How many edges there are in the cubic unit cell? You can see easily there are the 12 edges, and we know that 12 edges plus total 8 corners, so the number of particles in the edge center cubic is 20. So distribution of edge center cubic is 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 4 into 12, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So total number of particles in this case are 20, and number of particles per unit cell are only 4. That is used in numerical in the next session. Now the next topic is numerical problem, that is based on the calculation of number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atom per unit cell in SCC are 1, number of atoms in per unit cell BCC are 2, number of atoms in per unit cell FCC are 4, and number of atoms in unit cell ECC are also 4. And contribution of at corner is, you know that, 1 by 8, contribution at the face 1 by 2, contribution at edge 1 by 4, and contribution at body center, that is 1. Now we will start with numericals. First numerical is, a compound is formed by elements A and B, has a cubic center in which A atoms are at the corner of the cube and B atoms are at the face centers. Derive the formula of the compound. Very easy numerical. As A atoms are at corners, so distribution, you know that number of particles 1 by 8 into 8, total number of particles are 8 at the corners, so distribution will be A is equal to 1. Now as B atoms are at the face, so total number of atoms at the face centers are 6, and distribution is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. So the formula of compound will be AB3, A1B3. We can write it AB3. Now in next topic, numerical number 2. A cubic solid is made up of two elements A and B. A are present at the corners and B are atoms are present at the body center. Write the formula of the compound. In this diagram you can easily see that A atoms are at the corner, so total number of A atoms are inside, that is 8 into 1 by 8. So number of atom per unit cell of A, that is 1. Number of atoms per unit cell B, that is also 1, because in case of body center there is a molecule or atom that is present in the center of the body. Now we will discuss about the formula of the compound. Formula of the compound will be X1Y1. We can write it as A1B1, that is AB, simply. Now the next topic will be numerical number 3. If three elements, now this time there are three elements P, Q, R, they may be A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc., crystallizes in a cubic solid lattice with P atoms are at the corners, Q atoms are at the cube center, R atoms are at the center of the face of the cube, then write the formula of the compound. You may also draw the diagram of this compound. Atoms P, solution देखें, atoms P per unit cell, that is 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1, you know. Atoms Q per unit cell are, there is only single, because at corners there is occupying P atoms, so remaining portion, that is a body center, and you know body center has one atom occupied, so the distribution is only 1. Now atoms R per unit cell, you know that R atoms are at the center of the face of the cube, so simply 1 by 2 into 6, that is 3. So the formula of compound will be PQR3, simply. Numerical number 4. A compound is made up of A and B crystallizes in the cubic centers structures. Now suppose A atom are at the present at the corners as well as the face center. This time A atoms are occupying both of the point, that is corners as well as face centers. So simply, whereas B atoms are present on the edge center as well as body center. What is the formula of compound? A atoms per unit cell. Simply because here A atoms are occupying both of the corner as well as the face center. So the numerical value will be 8 into 1 by 8 for the corner plus 6 into 1 by 2 for the face center, that is equal to 4. Now B atoms per unit cell, simply because B atoms are occupying both of the place, that is edge center as well as body center. So for edge center, 12 into 1 by 4 plus 1 for body center. The distribution is 4. In both case there are the 4 atoms per unit cell. So formula will be A4B4 means AB. This topic is complete. Thank you for watching.